Embrace effortless beauty with simple summer nails. The perfect press-on nail set for a fresh, minimalist look. Featuring soft pastel colors and beachy designs, these easy-to-apply, reusable nails are ideal for everyday chic style, summer fun, or special occasions. Embrace effortless beauty with simple summer nails by Ask Rufus. A chic, press-on nail set in soft pastel shades with elegant 3D summer designs. Perfect for women who love stylish, reusable, and easy-to-apply nails that elevate everyday looks in minutes. Elevate your everyday style with simple summer nails. The perfect press-on nail set for women who love a clean, chic look. Featuring soft pastel colors and easy application, these reusable nails offer salon-quality beauty in minutes. Ideal for summer vibes, self-care days, or a quick style upgrade. Embrace effortless beauty with NEWSPIED simple summer nails. These chic, reusable press-on nails feature soft pastel colors, glossy finish, and elegant 3D flower accents, perfect for a fresh, feminine look all summer long. Easy to apply, comfortable to wear, and ideal for any occasion. Embrace effortless beauty with these simple summer nails, a perfect blend of soft pastels and playful 3D floral designs. Designed for women who love an easy, elegant look, this reusable press-on nail set brings salon-quality style to your fingertips in minutes. Fresh, fun, and made for every sunny day moment.